Hello, and today we are going to be playing doing a video on Fortnite with my friend. Now, this is a video on Fortnite playground mode.
Yes, we are going to play some playground.
Okay, so we're going to be playing on playground with my friend. So here we go.
And he's going to join me pretty soon.
Yeah, I'll join him. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Hold on. Sort of glitching. Okay. I'm gonna go Battle Royale. So this is my first time playing on PC, actually. So I might be a little rusty. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to my friend. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna change to playground. And we're gonna go. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, so we are gonna play some playground. We're gonna build a big fort at the start, and then we're gonna face each other. Okay?
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then after that, we'll see where it goes.
Yeah, we're just gonna fight after that. Okay, let's go with some tilted.
Okay.
Then let's try to build all over.
No, we have to do it in 15 minutes, all of it.
In 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
I'm 15 minutes. But we still have an hour.
No, I mean, but like, out of this. Look.
Oh, okay.
So we have to get that, and so we'll probably just fight each other, right?
No, we're gonna build a big fort, and then we're gonna destroy each other.
No. I feel like we should. Okay. Fine.
So then if someone's in a fort, they can knock it down.
Yeah, I guess.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, well, I got some pretty good
nice.
loot. I got some pretty good loot.
I got a graphical.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go and drive that. Hold on. Oh, okay. So where are we gonna build the forts?
Just in the middle of it.
In the middle of Tilted?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow, I actually did that. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt you when you're in that.
I guess we'll just park it there.
It's gonna be 100.
Okay, I got a heavy shoddy.
Ooh, I got some ammo for that.
Don't worry. I'm okay.
Okay.
If you hit a llama open, you can actually hit a llama open. Just for an exclaimer, if you didn't know that.
Oh my god, I got some shockwaves too.
Okay.
But I also got like a
Grappling hook?
Uh-huh.
Okay, nice.
Do you want these shockwaves?
Now, this is family friendly, so we don't say any swears or anything. So if you're just wondering about that, we don't do that.
Holy man.
Yeah.
So did you see me?
Yep. No, I didn't.
Oh.
So this is family friendly, so we only do family kind of stuff.
Oh, look at that, another shockwave. And a heavy. Do you want some shockwaves?
Hold on, here. Put that there.
I can't bring them only because... Here. Just come over here.
Yeah.
You want shockwaves?
Sure. Yeah. Here, hold on, let me just switch it. Okay, I'm good.
Throw them.
Hold on. Okay, ready? 3, 2.
Whoa!
How far did you go?
I went to the brick house.
Oh, really? Wait, there's
Yeah.
a blue semi-auto?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wow.
weird now. I got one too.
Okay, well, I'm going to try to find a hunting rifle. If I can find
Yeah,
one.
me too.
I'm going
No.
to get that rift to go.
No.
Okay, I'm already done there. Pick up that loot. Whee! Okay, let me go over here.
Perfect.
Grab that. Oh, scar.
Actually?
Yep,
Yes.
purple.
Oh my god, where's that dang chest?
We don't say swears, remember, family friendly.
I said dang.
Okay. Let's see here.
Like, we're the total opposite side.
Yeah, I know.
Like, look on your map.
I can see you already on my mini map. Okay, I'm just gonna grab that. There we go. I'm gonna. Oh. Parkour.
Oh my god. You can only get, like, green shock. No. I can only get, like, green, semi-autos in this.
Oh, let's go. I got a hunting rifle.
Did you actually?
Yep.
Is there another one you can find? No!
Oh, right, I forgot we were on teams, okay.
Yeah.
We're
I'm gonna get some of this. Woohoo!
I think I'm probably.
It's so weird because every time I say something, I can hear my voice again.
Yeah, I know. Here, hold on.
What? Did you die?
No, not yet. Oh, I got a blue hunting rifle.
Did you?
Yep. Okay, I'm
coming up there to get the one that you had before.
No. I'm using both of them. No, I'm dying. I'm gonna die
Why?
because I want to switch teams.
Can I take one of your hunting rifles?
No.
Okay.
Just go.
I am.
Go.
Oh gee, that did not work.
Go.
I am. I'm just.
Okay.
You get a hunting rifle here?
Yeah, I think.
No, I got a missile.
There's a hunting rifle in that building.
No, I got something better.
That is missile.
Yep.
Okay. Well, all I need is a hunting rifle, so I'm good.
I got so many hunting rifles. Oh no. Dang it.
Yay.
I fell off the edge.
We have to stand tilted. Because
Okay.
it's not going to be any fun if you just keep running around.
And no collecting loot.
Yeah, no collecting loot to each other because, Okay, let's see here. What,
Do you see birdie in the air?
See what?
Oh, you missed it.
Hey, you stole my hunting rifle.
No, I didn't.
Ammo. Well, something happened to it.
Well, I didn't take it. Look.
Oh,
That's
wait.
all my loot.
There it is. Okay, then. Yeah, you didn't take it. Okay. Which building are you in?
I'm by the brick one.
There's many brick ones.
You know that like white and brick one? The white brick and
Is it like those Those hotels?
Yeah,
Okay.
kinda.
Crap.
Yes.
It's not fair. You didn't tell me.
I did.
Which one? You weren't there.
I went to the white and red one.
White
I went to
and
white
red.
and red.
That's not fair. You can't do that.
I told you where I was.
You said just the white brick. I thought that one. Not that one over there. Now where are you anyway?
I'm at like bus.
At the what?
At the bus. At the bus stop.
Oh, wait.
Oh yes. Perfect time for this. A blue rifle. Well, sniper rifle.
Which bus are you at?
Do you see the one? Wait. Where are you? Okay. I know where you are. I'm like over here.
I don't see.
Oh, you're on the floor.
Where are you?
I want to hide here. Because I can't see you.
Nor can I see you. Wait, are you in Granny's house? Where are you?
I don't know. Perfect.
What?
I got some more ammo.
Okay, which house are you in?
I'm not at a house. I'm by a loot lake.
We said no running around. Oh, wait, I think I know where you are. I might know. I don't even know. Where are you? Are you still at the same spot?
No. I'm a little bit different.
Oh.
Well, I see ya.
I don't see you.
You did? Yes, you do.
No, I think. Are you still at the. Oh, yeah, now I can see you. Come on. Come on. No. Darn. Come on. How in the world?
No!
I got him.
Did I even get you?
No.
Let me collect my loot.
Well, I guess now it's tied.
Yeah. That was kind of funny, my first one.
Yeah, you knocked me down. That's a little glitchy, but I mean, I think I can handle it.
Hey, what's up, sir? Is that a grapple gun?
A grapple gun?
Oh, no. I thought it was. I'm stupid.
What did you do?
I'm trying to kill my... Okay, where are you?
Still in the same house, like in the basketball court. Where are you?
I'm at the...
Are you at the place you died at? I think I heard you.
Okay, if you do shoot me, okay, just shoot me.
Why?
Because I need to get my... Wait, let
Your
me get my
loot's
loot.
over there.
Over here?
Yeah, it's over there.
Perfect. Now I don't have to waste my... Ooh, what's better? It's either purple,
Just choose.
yeah, no, screw it. I have so much good. I mean,